with the help of increasing farmers' income by 25 to 40%, as well as reducing banking frauds, which are to the extent of hundreds of crore every year in this country.
So why we bought blockchain into this product is because the current industry faces a lot of problem of frauds, especially the banks. So that's why our product is specially for banks. Now we protect that those frauds from happening by introducing blockchain, which is an immutable system, which will keep a good track of where you're going, where your goods are being transferred, and what transactions are happening.
It helps the banks in reducing fraud, but at the same time, we have a social impact objective of helping increase farmers' income, as research has proven across the globe. So Whrrl was established in January 2019, and in 10 months we launched the product. We are here at AGRI Accelerator, wherein we have learned a lot about how to take our startup from the journey we have done, where we have brought the product to the market, to the next stage, wherein people and especially the farmers can use our product. It has been a very interactive session over here. Especially some of the mentors help us in seeing the vision down the line and way forward, the milestone setting. Those were really helpful over here. Along with this, Whrrl has been getting accolades across in India as well as in the globe. So we were chosen by International Security Accelerator Europe to be part of their cohort. We have been awarded India's most innovative startup in social lending segment by DCB Bank. We also received the top 15 startup in APAC region by Money 2020 Singapore.
So basically what the product does is we facilitate between the farmers and the banks for loans against the warehouse deposits that the farmers have done. The receipts that they get, this is the transaction that happens between the farmers, the warehouses, and the banks, and that is where they get the loan against. And that is where we use blockchain to secure and to provide security, to provide immutability, the basic characteristics of blockchain, and save those billions in frauds that are happening in the sector currently.
We have created a trading component of along with our blockchain component of blockchain network. So on the blockchain network, there are banks, there are warehouses, there are collateral managers. There is a attached digital lending app for the farmers as well as a trading app for the farmers. So the goods which are stored in the warehouse, so farmer doesn't need to take it back to the mandi to sell it. They can, across the globe, people can bid for the goods stored in the warehouse and can buy it. They can buy it authentic, as well as they know that from where the goods are coming. So for example, basmati rice from Dehradun, it is authenticated by the collateral manager in the warehouse, and it is already there. The data is available on the blockchain, the quality is available on the blockchain. Anybody across the world, exporters, importers sitting in other parts of the world, can buy it directly online from our platform. We are not charging anything to the farmers at all. Our services to the farmers are free. We get our money from the banks, so that is not a problem for the farmers. Secondly, warehouse receipt finance has proven across the globe, including in India, that by storing it at the time of harvest, the farmers get better realization of their price when they sell after 3 to 6 months, instead of selling at the time of harvest when the price is the bottom lowest. And that helps increase farmers' income by 25 to 40%. In some of the cases, using forward contracts, the gains have been up to 300% as well. The farmer pays for the warehouse cost as well as he pays interest on the loan. However, the realization, the price gains are set off. So the numbers I talked about, 25 to 40%, is after setting off the storage cost, the interest cost, and any opportunity cost as well.
Alright, so it has been wonderful to be a part of the cohort, AGRI UDAAN 3.0 cohort of this accelerator by NAM, because as you remember, we came from 450 startups across the country, and then to top 40, and then our pitch got into the top 10. And these last 3.5-4 days have been phenomenal, because even the other startups who are here are of high caliber, and we are happy that we are the only fintech, especially AGRI Fintech startup amongst all the 10 startups, and we are the only one doing something using a technology like blockchain, which is definitely very, very, very futuristic. So as we are now having the blockchain platform in our phase 1, our phase 2 would be looking at an IoT implementation, which is going to solve a completely new problem of frauds that happen because the goods that go out of the warehouse without even the farmers or anyone's oversight. So that is something that IoT, our phase 2, including this blockchain platform, is going to solve very well, but that's phase 2.